Hey, what y'all doing? Okay, so we got it. Okay. I already cut it so that I could open it, but all right, so we're about to open it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here we go. Oh wait, I gotta cut it. Oh, I did. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Oh. The box been through a lot, okay? Like, it's been through a lot. We got stepped on and everything. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna step. Okay, so. Oh well. Okay, so I was expecting this to come in a box or something, or like the black boxes that I see everybody with, but I guess when I checked out, I didn't pick that because I was going really, really fast, so I didn't pick any of that. So I don't know. I thought that it was standard. I would have expected, you know, this like a big thing put in a box. But okay, here we go. So am I getting it? Is that grabbing it? Uh-oh, I don't want to bend the... Oh, it's just in a bag. Okay. So it's in a bag. We're gonna grab the bag. Okay, put that there. Okay, nothing like... Okay, nothing else in there. She's got like a... Oh, thank you card. Alright. Okay, so that's the box. Put that over there. Okay. Okay. Alright, yeah, I wish I had a box. Like, I don't know, I feel like they should have known. Okay, it smells really, like, really leathery. It smells like leather, for real. Okay, but I would have appreciated a box. I wonder if I can go back and get one. I don't know, but anyway. All right, so here we go. Oh, it's pretty. Oh my God. Oh, I already showed you. Okay, it is pretty. Oh, that's a good pink. That's the pink I like. Like, if I'm getting pink, like, I want it muted, like, kind of like pale pink. Okay. Oh, wait, I'm not back enough. Hold on. Okay, okay. Oh, it's pretty. It is pretty. And they got it stuffed. Okay. They protected it really well. Okay, something on the... Okay, it says genuine glove tan leather. All right, so let's pull all this stuff off and see it. But anyway, that's the dust bag. Okay, all right. Okay, but there she is, so pretty.